Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's masterclass, we are going to deep dive into one of the most powerful parts of speech. That's adverb. So you're going to learn today what an adverb is, types of adverb, how to use them correctly, the common mistake we Indians make, and some powerful examples. So grab your notepad and let's begin. So what's an adverb? Adverb, let's say, is a word that modifies a verb, an adverb itself, another adverb, an adjective, or the entire sentence, right? So let's say, in simple words, adverb adds extra information, right? That is how, when, how often, to what extent. Let's look at some of the examples here. She speaks clearly. She speaks, right? Verb is there, speaking. Speaks clearly, that's modifying the verb itself. She speaks clearly. Clearly is your adverb. Another example, he's very smart. He's smart, right? Adjective, smart, but he's very smart. So it modifies your adjective here. That's your adverb. So adverb makes your sentences detailed, expressive, and with the real mastery that begins. There are 10 major types of adverbs, and we'll cover them one by one with simple examples. So let's start with adverb of manner. How something happens. The answer, this would answer the question how. Let's look at some examples. She spoke softly. How she spoke? She spoke softly. He completed the task quickly. Right? The agent handled the customer politely. Now, some common mistake that we would make here is would say she spoke very politely. That's incorrect. So there's no "li" twice. She spoke very politely. Now let's look at adverbs of time. This would answer when something happens. Example, the meeting will start tomorrow. I will call you later. Here the keywords are today, yesterday, noon, soon, already, before, after, right? Then you have adverbs of place. Here we are going to answer where something happens. Examples, please wait here. So here, not anywhere else. Please wait here. The files are stored upstairs, not downstairs, but upstairs. Next, you have adverbs of frequency. This will answer the question how often or how often, right? Examples, she always arrive late or she always arrive on time. He rarely speaks. He rarely skips. Now we will look at adverbs of degree. This would answer your question to what extent. And these will basically modify your adverbs, verbs, and adjectives. For example, she is very confident. Adjective. The call volume has greatly increased. Verb. Right. Some of the common words around this are very, often, quite, almost, hardly, totally. Right. And then we're going to move on to adverbs of reason. This will show you the cause or the reason. Example, she didn't alter or she did not attend the meeting because she was sick. Therefore, we need a backup plan. So, words like example, hence, because, therefore, consequently, these are some of the examples of your adverbs of reason. Now, adverbs of purpose. This would show you intention. Example: she studied hard to improve her score. Right? He stepped aside so that others could pass. Then you have interrogative adverbs. These are basically used for asking questions. Let's look at some of the examples here. Why are you late? Why are you doing this? What were you doing? Right? When will you come home? When will the training start? So all your why's, w's question comes under interrogative adverbs. Then you have relative adverbs. This will be used to join clauses. When I say clauses, it's sentences. Example: this is the place where I learned everything. I remember the day when we first met. Next, your sentence adverbs, which basically modifies the whole sentence itself. Example: unfortunately. Unfortunately, we missed the flight. Hopefully, the scores will improve next week. So all your words with unfortunately, hopefully, honestly, these come under sentence adverbs, right? And they express basically attitude, opinion, or judgment. Now let's look at adverbs of manner. Here, adverbs would usually go to the end or will be used at the end. For example, he spoke calmly, right? She handled the situation professionally. Next, adverbs of time. Here, most of the time, or usually, the adverbs will be used toward the end. We will meet tomorrow. Put the chairs outside, right? Then your sentence adverbs. Here, usually your adverbs would come at the beginning. For example, honestly, I don't believe this is correct. So honestly comes first. I don't believe this is correct. So your adverb first, and then your rest. Add some of the Indian common Indian mistakes that we make. For example, he is working hardly. Is working hard. That's what you would say, because hardly means not at all, right? Almost not. So it has a different meaning. Another example: she very much liked it. Correct, she liked it very much. Just the placement of the adverbs. I am understanding clearly. I understand it clearly. Right. So be careful where you place the adverb so that your sentences make sense. So I'm going to give you some practice sentences. Put that in the comment section and see if you got it right. Example: she sings. Use an adverb here to complete the sentence. He works. They arrived. She answered. Right, great guys. So this completes the breakdown of adverbs. And if you found this beautiful video useful, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and also tell me in the comments which topic should I cover next: pronouns, prepositions, and I will create a masterclass on that as well. So thanks for watching. You're watching Speak Fluent English with Rajesh. I'm Rajesh, and I will see you in the next video.